Hello and welcome to the course How Sales Price Prediction for Beginners using Apache Spark and Apache Zeppelin. I am excited to have you here, and I promise by the end of the course you will have built your first real world machine learning project with Spark MLlib. In this hands on course, we will guide you step by step to build a complete machine learning regression model to predict house prices using real housing data. You will learn to use tools like Apache Spark, Scala, PySpark, and Apache Zeppelin, all beginner friendly. The course is designed for beginners in data engineering or data science, students who want practical Spark ML experience, anyone looking to explore Apache Zeppelin as a data notebook. No prior machine learning knowledge is required. By the end of this course, you will be able to explore and clean raw housing data, build a feature pipeline with Spark ML, train and evaluate a regression model, visualize prediction using Matplotlib and Seaborn, use Zeppelin like a pro for Spark based ML projects. Here's are the powerful tool you will gain hands-on experience with. Apache Spark MLlib for machine learning, Scala and PySpark for code flexibility, Matplotlib and Seaborn for stunning visualization, Apache Zeppelin for notebook and reporting. In this project, we will use a real-world CSV dataset of house listing. You will build a regression model that predicts the sales price of a house based on dozens of features like area, location, number of rooms, and more. From raw CSV to prediction to visualization, all in one guided pipeline. Here's how the course is structured. Getting started with Spark and Zeppelin, data exploration and pre-processing, feature engineering with pipelines, model training and testing, visualization and evaluation, wrap up, and next steps. Each section includes clear explanation, code walkthrough, and real results. Before we start, make sure you have Apache Zeppelin installed and configured with Spark, basic comfort with code either in Scala or Python, and of course, curiosity to learn. That's it for the welcome. Now let's dive in and get our hands dirty. Get ready to unlock the power of machine learning with Spark. Let's build something amazing together.